turn left on US 280.
Heading towards Providence Canyon, also known as Georgia's Little Grand Canyon. We will be driving approximately an hour and a half, around 70 miles. It's also about 20 miles from the Alabama border.
This area is where Jimmy Carter was born.
We are headed towards the town of Americus. This is downtown Americus.
Citizens Bank of Americus. This is really downtown, man. Look at this.
Oh, cute. Right on South Martin, 13 JR Boulevard.
It's Jimmy Carter National Historic Site.
This is where Jimmy Carter was born, in the small farming town of Plains.
Home of the 39th president.
There's no time for us to stop, but there's a small memorial to the left here on the life of Jimmy Carter.
The cops.
Town of Preston.
I love these little gas stations. Historic Westville.
Entering Luftkin, Georgia.
Courthouse. Look at this old courthouse. Stewart County Courthouse. This is the gas station. This is the two pump gas station. There's a post office.
Arriving at Providence Canyon State Park on left.
Entering Providence Canyon State Park, one of Georgia's 7 natural wonders. There's 2 picnic shelters, group shelters, seats about 100, Pioneer Group Campground, but no RV sites. But in less than 9 miles away, you have Florence Marina State Park, which has plenty of RV sites, and then you can drive to the canyon with your towed car.
They saved this spot just for us.
Just kidding. We were actually very lucky to get here early enough where we could make a U-turn after unhooking our Hummer and then back it into the gravel area at the dead end of the parking lot here.
We need to register before we go down. There's a little brown box on the trailhead, on the road trailhead.
Yeah.
Just fill out the information on the clipboard inside.
That's it. That's what it looks like. All the colors, every.
Registering consists of filling out a form with everybody's name and just put it back in a box.
Wow.
As I walked the quarter-mile trail going down to the bottom of the canyon, I was wondering if it's going to be just as easy coming back up. Find out. We're down to the creek bed. Went left to enter canyons 1 through 5. There's 1,003 acres of wonder here to explore and admire and just absorb it in as if you were the creator. Must be over 100 degrees out here, but it feels kind of dry compared to South Florida.
Wow. Look at that.
That is so cool.
Yeah. Just imagine from there to here,
With
this
actual land?
and then the rain just washed it all away.
Come on, Mama.
That's what it did that. Yes.
It's like watching a giant landslide. That's amazing. I guess this is why they call it the largest sandcastles in the world. Just imagine this was once all level back in the early 1820s. Bad farming practices like chopping down too many trees did all of this. And it keeps eroding more every year. Just imagine the great sculpture of this beautiful place is rainwater runoff. That revealed millions of years, 150 feet under the earth. That is so amazing. This is pure proof that millions of years ago, this was all underwater. It's all sand. There's shells and fossils under here that proves that.
Go, booty, go. Good girl. Look at this. This is as far as we could go. Go take a picture over there. That's cool. Go in and go out the other way. Coming up here. Yeah, I think that's where there's more water there, I think.
Different color veins. It's almost like marble, but it's all compacted sand. We just backtracked from Canyon Trail 1 through 5 and now going towards Canyon Trail 7 through 9. But we had to cut it very short. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see the whole thing. We definitely got to come back here. Maybe stay at least a night at the marina campground 10 miles away.
It's interesting.
So we could take our time.
Look at that.
That's the way it was, Martha, pretty much.
Everywhere, though.
Yeah.
It's like that everywhere.
Sandstone.
0.25 miles. It's a quarter of a mile up the road. 7-mile trail. There's a 7-mile trail with those. That one. Johnny, that's 7 miles, buddy.
He ain't gonna go.
By permit only. We're on our way back up to the quarter-mile trail. It's too bad we're in a rush to get to Stone Mountain, but we do need to go. But we barely explored a fraction of this canyon.
Yeah. Look, Woody, come here. Come here. Wipe your feet. Like that.
Whoa!
Whoa! That's all right. Keep it on.
She's a champ. She walked the whole way. We spent a little time looking at the display in the visitor center, getting some souvenirs at the same time. Admiring the what looked like a hawk behind the counter there. After cleaning our shoes of that red mud, took a quick look around and looks like everything is fine. All I have to do is pull up and hook up the Hummer and we'll be on our way. And see you all at Stone Mountain Park.